Central Nervous System Part 4 explains difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Definition of sympathetic nervous system. It is the division of the autonomic nervous system which prepares the body for stressful situations, fight or flight. It is located near the lumbar and thoracic regions in the spinal cord. And definition of parasympathetic nervous system. It is one of the divisions of the autonomic nervous system, also known as the rest and digest system. It conserves energy when the body is relaxed, feeding or resting. Situated between the spinal cord and the medulla. Response difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. It is involved in the fight or flight response of the body. And parasympathetic nervous system. It is involved in maintaining homeostasis and allows rest and digest response. Major function difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. It prepares the body for any potential stress or danger. And parasympathetic nervous system. It aims to bring the body towards calmness and relaxation. Neuron pathways difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. It has shorter neuron pathways resulting in a faster response time in parasympathetic nervous system. It has longer neuron pathways and therefore a slower response time. Heart rate and muscles. Difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. It increases heart rate and makes tense up the muscles. And parasympathetic nervous system. It reduces heart rate and relaxes muscle cells. Pupil. Difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. It makes the pupil dilate to let in more light. And parasympathetic nervous system. It makes the pupil contract. Saliva secretion difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. It inhibits the saliva secretion. And parasympathetic nervous system. It increases saliva secretion and therefore digestion also increases. Fight and flight situation difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system. In this state, adrenaline is released by the adrenal glands and more glycogen can be converted to glucose. And parasympathetic nervous system. It doesn't have a fight or flight state. Hormones difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system involves epinephrine and norepinephrine, and parasympathetic nervous system involves acetylcholine. This diagram shows difference between sympathetic and parasympathetic body responses on different body organs. Learn terminologies with MJM.